Is your engine sputtering like it is running out of breath? Or maybe you are seeing embarrassing black smoke puffing from the tailpipe while idling? You might be dealing with a P010A trouble code, which points directly to a malfunction in the mass airflow or MAF sensor's B circuit. Think of the MAF sensor as the nose of your car. It sits right after the air filter and measures exactly how much air is getting into the engine, so the computer knows precisely how much fuel to mix in for perfect combustion. When this code pops up, the computer is basically saying the signal it is getting from the B circuit of that sensor does not make any sense compared to what it expects. The B circuit part is tricky because you'll need to check your specific repair manual to see which wire that is for your car, but the fix is often universal. First, pop the hood and look for the obvious. Is the wiring connector plugged in tight? Are there any broken or frayed wires? Sometimes it is just a dirty sensor. Over time, dust and oil coat the tiny sensing element. A great DIY step before buying parts is to grab a can of MAF sensor cleaner spray. Take the sensor out carefully, spray it down, let it dry, and reinstall it. Also, check your air filter. If you use one of those reusable oiled filters and you over-oiled it, that oil can coat the sensor and cause this exact code. If cleaning does not work and the wiring looks good, you might need a new sensor, but stick to original equipment manufacturer parts here. Aftermarket sensors are notorious for causing headaches.